To transfer the contacts from iPhone to Android, what you do is you have to open iCloud website in a web browser. So remember to open in a web browser. Open iCloud.com website, go to sign in, then sign in with the same Apple account that is used in your iPhone. Next, then enter the password. Go to this contacts application. Now iPhone stores all the contact in iCloud, not in the iPhone. So what I will do is I will click on this icon here and click on select all contact. After that, click on this arrow here and export vCard. So all the contacts will be exported in this file, and this file you have to send into your Android phone by using applications such as Gmail, WhatsApp, etc. So let me send it by using Gmail and I will show it in my phone. Now I will go to my Gmail app and I will open the Gmail, and this is the file where all the contacts are saved. So I will open it and I will tap on the file, and if I select import, all the contact will be imported to my Android device. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful.